Welcome to the CAEN spectroscopy video tutorials. In this video, we will learn to use the Quantus run control tab to perform preset time acquisition and consecutive acquisition. First step, connect hexagon to the detector and the Quantus software to the board as explained in the video tutorial Quantus Spectrum Acquisition. Second step, open the MCA Signal Inspector window as explained in the video tutorial MCA Signal Inspector. Third step, set the parameters on the Input tab as explained in the video tutorial MCA Input Settings. Fourth step, set the parameters on the Energy Filter tab as explained in the video tutorial Energy Filter tab Settings. Fifth step, go into the Quantus Run Control tab. As you can see, the preset section of this tab is divided in 4 parts, each of them allowing to set different criteria for stopping the acquisition. It is indeed possible to stop the acquisition after a preset real time, live time, total number of counts in the spectrum, or total number of counts in a specific region of interest. You just need to click on the select desired preset and type the number of seconds or counts. Besides that, Quantus allows also to perform consecutive acquisitions. Click on the Start Automatic Jobs button to access the Job Settings window. You can choose between two kinds of jobs mode: Single Cycle Multi-Config and Multi-Cycle Single Config. The first one is used to do consecutive acquisition, useful to perform a scan of one or more parameters in order to find the corresponding best value. The second one is used once the parameters of the acquisition are fixed and the acquisition has just to be repeated a predefined amount of times. A typical example is the sample changer that indeed becomes available when this jobs mode is selected. For the sample changer, you can set the ready and the advanced signal polarity and the change mode. For both the jobs mode, you can also set the time between two consecutive acquisitions. If you selected the single cycle multi-config mode, you have now to select the folder in which the configuration files previously prepared are stored. Please remember that also the acquisition time is part of the configuration and has to be set in advance in the Run Control tab as shown at the beginning of this video. Once the folder has been selected, the jobs will start automatically and the summary window will show the status of the acquisition. At any moment, you can decide to stop the current run or to abort all the runs. Press OK when all the acquisitions have been completed. If you selected the multi-cycle single config mode, you have to set the number of consecutive acquisitions, then the working folder in which the data will be saved, and then the configuration file to be used. Again, please remember that also the acquisition time is part of the configuration and has to be set in advance in the Run Control tab as shown at the beginning of this video. Once the folder has been selected, the jobs will start automatically and the summary window will show the status of the acquisition. At any moment, you can decide to stop the current run or to abort all the runs. Press OK when all the acquisitions have completed. Tutorial completed. Check the CAEN website for other video tutorials. Thanks for watching.